Darwin Diggs, Theodore Grams. Yeah. Every day ought to be a bad day for you. That's right. We used to be so strong. Back then we was right, now we so wrong. She was Beyonce, I could've got my Hove on. And when she hang up on me, I tell her, hold on, quit that shit. I don't use force, today is a bad day. We've been divorced, what I think about stress, I don't really need it. But this is plagiarism, cause my shorty just cheated, and shorty conceded. She out of her mind, I wish she had Louis and the car get declined. She at school with no aid, no HIV. Hope you don't get in the club with that fake ID. Why would you hurt somebody that you called your man for? And I hope you get evicted by your landlord. But she be messing with me, and I'm hoping she lose my number indefinitely. So every day ought to be a bad day for you. Yeah. Every day ought to be a bad day for you. That's right.
I guess you can't remember all the times that I was there. Your emotions on a roller coaster, no fun fair. You were happy on the phone, but hate me when I come there.